Welcome back to the DataWeave learning series. In today's session, we're exploring real-world join and lookup patterns in MuleSoft DataWeave, including data enrichment, left join simulation, and high-performance lookup design. These are not just coding techniques, they are core integration architecture patterns used in enterprise systems every day. In this DataWeave example, we're demonstrating multiple join and lookup patterns in a single transformation. First, we create a lookup structure using the groupBy function on the products array. This converts the products list into a map where each product ID becomes a key, enabling fast and efficient lookups later in the transformation. One of the scripts demonstrates a pure lookup map creation pattern in DataWeave. We use groupBy on the products array with product ID as the key. This transforms the array into a structured lookup object where each product ID maps to a list of product records. Instead of returning transformed orders, this script directly outputs the lookup map itself. This is extremely useful for debugging, learning, and validation because you can visually see how your lookup structure is built. In real integration projects, this lookup map acts like an index or cache layer, enabling fast joins, enrichments, and data correlations across systems. This pattern is foundational for building scalable, high-performance MuleSoft integrations. Next, we start mapping over the orders array. For each order, we extract basic fields like order ID, product ID, and quantity. Then, we simulate a left join using a filter-based lookup pattern. We filter the products array to find a matching product ID, take the first match, and safely access fields like name and price using default values. This ensures that if a product is missing, the transformation doesn't fail. Instead, it behaves exactly like a left join, returning safe fallback values instead of breaking the flow. We then calculate the total amount by multiplying the product price with the order quantity. The matched flag checks whether a corresponding product record exists, giving us a clear Boolean join status for each order. Inside the same structure, the orders block demonstrates a raw object join pattern, where each order is directly linked to the full product object. This pattern is commonly used in API enrichment, system orchestration, and microservice communication, where one service enriches data coming from another service. The test block shows the optimized enterprise join pattern. Instead of repeatedly filtering the products array, it uses the pre-built lookup map created with groupBy. This enables constant time lookups, better performance, and scalability for large data sets. This is the production-grade approach used in real enterprise MuleSoft architectures. So in a single script, you're seeing three real-world DataWeave patterns: filter-based joins, object enrichment joins, and optimized lookup joins using groupBy. This is exactly how production-grade data enrichment and integration logic is designed in MuleSoft. Understanding lookup-based joins in DataWeave is foundational for building scalable integrations. These patterns are used every day in APIs, microservices, data platforms, and enterprise integration systems. This is how raw data becomes meaningful, connected information in real-world digital architectures. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel MuleSoft Unleash for more updates. And don't forget, drop a comment if there's something specific you'd like me to cover in the next video.